back to our second, Abigail? Our second episode of Daddy Daughter Day. Today we're going to be doing pretty much the same thing that we did with the first episode, just doing a little bit different. You got the bubbles, Abigail? So what are we going to start off with this morning, Abigail? We're going to do some painting? Or are you just going to play with some bubbles? So, we're going to paint a few things and then plant later. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to start doing is painting our flower pots that eventually we're going to grow stuff out of. So if you tuned into our first episode, you would see that we planted carrots, radishes, right? Peas and lettuce. Lettuce didn't work out. Radishes, they grew, just nothing, there was no radish underneath them. The only thing that really came in was the peas, and then the little contraption that I made for the carrots really did not work out too well, and you'll see why here in a second. But so, new plan. Got some nice flower pots, but we need to decorate them first, and then they're gonna be inside for a little bit, and then eventually we're gonna find a spot outside for them. And I got a whole bunch of different colors for us to play with. Actually, it's just whatever was left over in my garage. So,
what color paint do you want, Abby?
Blue. Point it on here. Which color do you want? You want red? Right.
What's that? Yay! There's stuff everywhere. What color do you want to paint this side? You want green? Tell Daddy.
Dad, I want tea.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good job, Abby.
Mine is coming out like crap. Abigail, I'm gonna have just as much paint on me as you do.
She doesn't have any paint on her. I have all the paint on me.
Look there.
Yay! Circle. Oh, you want that color now? Okay. Tell Daddy.
Dad.
What color is this?
Pink.
Yep.
I don't know if you have a spot for that color, Abby.
Ready?
High five. You want to put some glitter on it? Tell Daddy.
Daddy.
Oh my god.
Ta-da. Look it. What did I make?
Dad.
A flower. I'm going to sprinkle some glitter on my flower. Don't you jump. Don't you jump.
Do it, Abigail. Oh my god. Woman.
I didn't do it.
I have glitter everywhere. It's in everything.
High five.
No.
High five.
I got plenty.
Give me a high five. Here. What are you planning on doing with all the glitter, Abby? What color?
Is there a lot of dirt there?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Please.
Yeah, a leaf.
No.
all the way down to the bottom. See them? See the roots? Yeah, roots. You want to start planting?
Yeah.
It looks like the truck dropped off all of our painted pots. Is that cool? Alright, so which one do you want to start with?
That one.
Oh, that one. Okay.
Oh, that one.
Alright, so which one are we going to go with?
That one.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Is that the one you painted?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want baby.
Well, you got the dirt behind you. You got to put dirt in there first.
I want to make giant.
You want strawberries?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like strawberries?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What that
Oh, you want to plant these? We got some Russell hybrid.
What's that one?
Different. Oh, you want? Can we plant both? You want to try and put both in there?
That one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you're just gonna dump it in and make a mess? Is that your plan? Okay. We got all of them in there. All right, what pot you want to do next?
That one.
No, pot, not the.
That one.
This one?
No, that one.
Oh, okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, my baby.
We'll get the truck unloaded and get the truck out of here. Say bye, truck.
Bye, truck. What's this?
All right, so what are we planting?
You.
Oh, you want to sit with me?
Yeah. That one.
Oh, you want to do cucumbers? Do you want to work on filling that up while I plant these?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, good girl.
Mama.
Oops. Good thinking, Abigail. Oh, we got more pots. I have no idea where we're going to put all these. No, don't dump it in there. We need to put dirt in there first.
Mama. Mama.
How are you going to scoop the stuff that's in my hands?
Mama.
We're not really making good progress if you're just going
Mama.
to scoop what's in my hand. And we got more strawberries. Okay, okay. Alright, so you want to do more strawberries?
Yeah.
How about we do 1 or 2 strawberries? We can't put all those in. That was way too many strawberries. Oh my god. If you guys could see this, it would be... I don't know how this is going to go. There's at least 30 different strawberry seeds in there right now. One of the biggest mistakes I made last time was not marking anything. And you think I would learn my lesson on that one, but I already don't know what's in each of these. No, we're not putting them in the bucket. Bury these guys up. Oh my god. So like I said, last time I made the mistake of not marking anything and figuring out exactly what was in it until they started to grow. Lettuce didn't turn out too well. That got nowhere. Radish, there was nothing there. And unfortunately we did the same exact thing on this one. And what's going to be more confusing is Abby just decided to mix everything together. So I don't know how much crops we're going to get out of this. I know that we're most likely going to have tons of strawberries, which is good for her because she non-stops eats strawberries. And if I could figure out how to grow cheese, we would do that too. But keep an eye on us. I'll keep you updated on how this crop actually goes. So just pay attention to the rest of the videos being pushed out. Towards the end of the video, I should be giving updates on how the plant growth is going. So, see you next time. Abby, you want to say bye?
Yeah.
Wave to the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
Say thank you.